April is a big library and book month. There's School Library Media Month, Library Snapshot Month, Library Week, Library Preservation Week, Library Workers Day, Library Outreach Day, Take Action for Libraries Day, Celebrate Teen Literature Day, Children's Book Day, Book and Copyright Day, Dictionary Day, Bookmobile Day, Independent Bookstore Day, and Book Night. Woo! Books represent knowledge. And when people have access to knowledge, they can expand their beliefs. When our beliefs expand, we can literally start revolutions. The history of banning books is thousands of years old and is done out of a threat and fear. If we, the people, learn more, we can take back control, not just of governments, but of our own sovereignty. And that is the scariest thing to the people who profit off of our insecurities. Today in Operation Merriment, I am challenging you to expand your knowledge, heighten your awareness, and be around books, and spread some joy to other people who are too. We're doing that by sharing some pretty bookmarks in books and libraries. Get your printable and 33 ways to celebrate Right to Read Day when you sign up for Operation Merriment or the Merriment Makers. And next time you visit your local library, you might just find a present from one of us. Now go read because you can.